Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nella for those of you who don't know, and in today's video I'm going to do something a bit different. For the first time in a very long time, I'm going to get my makeup done. I'm getting a makeover. So this prize was originally won by my little sister, but she is going to school. School has started back online school, and honestly she can't be doing this whole makeup makeover thing. So she asked me, Ornella, do you want to do it? And I'm like, sure, why not? So today I'm going to be getting a makeover. Want to see how it turns out? Well, keep on watching.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper that sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer.
Sensational double thrill stock car spectacular at 7:30 at Norwood.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
I'm back. This is the after. Look at me. Check me out. Glowing and gorgeous. I really like how it turned out. Yes, I will definitely recommend. I'm going to leave her details down in the contacts below. It was really nice. She was pretty professional. I liked that. She sanitizes her brushes and her makeup in between use. She sprayed me with alcohol, and I really found her friendly, warm, accommodating, and I really felt comfortable in the space. I didn't feel like, you know, oh, somebody trying to rush to get me out. And I like how the makeup is like a nice little beat every day I could wear. I mean, if I did this myself. But no, I don't even want to drink, I don't want to eat, I don't want nothing. I just want to keep my makeup here for the whole day. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments below what you guys think about it. Think it look good? I'm finally stepping into the goodness that I was meant to be. The gorgeous, gorgeous lady. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna go get some gas because my car is almost on E and we're not about that life, because hot girl for have hot girl car and hot girl car for always have gas. Anyways, I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so I just came from the gas station, just finished getting gas. So now I'm going to go get something to eat because I am hungry. It is around 12:40 and I have not eaten all morning, so a girl is starving, her tummy is rumbling, my belly is very angry at me right now. So I'm gonna get something to eat and then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna meet up with a friend and we're just gonna discuss some things, and I'll catch you guys when I'm, you know, when I got something to eat and when I'm on my way. Alright guys, let's go. Sun is so hot. So I just got a patty, a chicken patty and a box juice, and I'm just gonna eat while I drive, you know, real Jamaican style. If you can't drive and eat a patty, like, what are you doing? Are you even Jamaican? So I'm just gonna eat my patty and I'm supposed to be meeting my friend at 1 o'clock, so I'm just gonna head out to there. So now I'm gonna meet up with a friend who is also a real estate agent, and she's helping me look about apartment, get my first apartment. So I finished chatting with my friend, so now I am heading home. It is raining, of course, because the plants are thirsty and the good Lord said let there be rain. So I'm gonna head home and try to beat the heavy pour because right now it's just mainly drizzling. So I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Later. Alright guys, so I made it home safe and sound, thank God. So I don't know about anybody else, but I cannot make this full beat go to waste. It is still here, so I'm gonna go inside and film a video and try and get some content prepared for you guys while I'm still waiting. So, you know, gonna utilize my beat, because I'm gorgeous, darling.